Good morning, students. I am teaching social studies of 8th standard. I already began the lesson geographical features and prehistoric India. This is the third video what I am doing about this lesson. I already told you about the geographical features of India. India consists of a variety of land like Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Deccan Plateau and the coastal regions. Even it has got islands and even desert areas. Okay, and I also introduced you about the prehistoric period. Prehistoric period means the history related to the period before the discovery of the art of writing. Here, so we don't get the written evidences related to that period. Here, initially man maybe use only the body language, okay, or he may use only the drawing to communicate with others, okay. But when he invented language, for many years it was only in the spoken form. It had no script. Okay, so then how we can come to know about the life of the prehistoric men? We can come to know about their life through the things they have used. Okay, I told you during a prehistoric period, man was roaming from one place to another place with an intention to gather food, and slowly he learned the art of hunting. Okay, in order to hunt, what he did, he used his intelligence and tried to make some tools out of stone, then wood and bones. Okay, he used mainly stone, then wood and bones, and to peel the skin of the animals and to separate the flesh and bones of animals. So in this way, I told you, during a prehistoric period, people started making tools out of stones. Therefore, the period of prehistoric man is called Old Stone Age. Okay, this period is called as Old Stone Age. Because they don't know, they didn't know the use of iron, bronze, or any other material as like us. Okay, they were lagging behind. Therefore, the age of the prehistoric man is called as the Old Stone Age. Okay, Stone Age, because mainly the things which are made out of stone was used by them. Okay, see here it is that we can, archaeologist especially helps us to know about how was the life of people during the medieval period. Okay, sorry, not medieval period, during the Stone Age. Here diagram showing the stages of prehistoric age. So prehistoric age, they divided into Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age. Here Old Stone Age, again it is divided. Old Stone Age was there. It was prevailed 2 million years ago. 2 million years ago it was there. At that time man did not know to write. Okay, he only perhaps know to speak with others. Spoken language was there. Okay, so it is the oldest age. Okay, see, it was there. It stretched over a period of 12,000 years. Means Old Stone Age was there nearly more than 12,000 years. It stretched over 12,000 years. Again, we can divide this Old Stone Age into early Stone Age, early Old Stone Age, middle Old Stone Age, and the then again we can divide it into late Old Stone Age. Okay, so in this way, that means the Old Stone Age we can divide it into three types. Okay, it prevailed. It was in means it was prevailed, remained nearly 2 million years. Then afterwards, Middle Stone Age came. Okay, it was a period from 12,000 years to 10,000 years ago. Okay, so during this time there was a little improvement in making the stone weapons. Here, delicate and small stone tools were produced. Okay, very delicate and very small stones instead of big stone tools were produced. Fixing stone tools with handles made of wood and bones were prepared during this time. Means stones were get fixed along with the wood and bones. Then they also during this period they prepared even axes and saws. Okay, so we are able to see a little improvement in the preparation of stone weapons during the Middle Stone Age. In the New Stone Age, it began after 10,000 years. Okay, New Stone Age began after 10,000 years. Here we are able to see these tools are more bright and sharp edge. Okay, again they made improvement during New Stone Age with regarding stone weapons. Here they also prepared grinding stones for grinding leaves and herbs, and even grains and leaves. Okay, so they started grinding leaves and herbs and even grains and leaves so that it should become soft. And during this New Stone Age, the men even prepared pots and pans. Okay, pots and pans. Pots are very useful for storing rice, wheat, and even it is very useful for cooking. Okay, and man learned to weaving the clothes. Okay, there was a lot of improvement in New Stone Age. Okay, man learned to prepare the pots. Okay, so in this way, there is, because of intelligence, man improved the stone weapons from Old Stone Age to Middle Stone Age. Again, he improved these stone weapons even in the New Stone Age. But in almost all these three ages, means either in Middle Stone Age or in New Stone Age or Old Stone Age, weapons or things were made out of stone only. Okay, they did not know the use of iron, bronze, etc. Then what happens here? See, there was a change in environment here. Okay, then it is believed that 12,000 years ago, a major change took place in the Earth's environment. Here, one major change took place. The Earth's temperature began to gradually increase. So, temperature on the Earth gradually increased. Here, before that, it is said that there are dinosaurs were existed. Dinosaurs were unable to cope up with that temperature, and they perished. Okay, so Earth's temperature began to gradually increase. This led to the development of grasslands in many places. So here, when there is a temperature, automatically grassland started raising in many places. But birds and animals began to multiply in a large number. Okay, even along with grassland, birds and animals also started multiplying in numbers. Animals like deer, goats, sheep, and others prospered in this grassland. Here, when there is a grassland, automatically it gives feeding for some animals. Okay, it is a feeding ground for deer, goats, sheep, etc. Okay, humans who had been hunting these animals began to observe the nature. Here, man, which was the first profession of we human beings? Food gathering and hunting. Okay, man involved when he was hunting animals, slowly he started observing the nature, food habits and the ways of these animals, how they multiplied. Okay, all those things he started observing. Over a period of time, they captured some of these animals. He captured some of the animals which he can tame, and he started bringing up himself. Thus, animal husbandry and daring started. Here, in this way, by observing the nature, by observing the animals that which are grazing in the grassland, he came to know that he can take benefit out of them. Some of the animals are giving milk, and some of them are very useful. Okay, thus animal husbandry and daring he started. Okay, another profession gets started. Then humans also observed that there are lot of fish in the lakes and rivers, and therefore catching fish also became another profession. Okay, so this is the second thing. And even human beings notice that some grass bearing grains had grown naturally. Says there are so many grasses. He observed in those grass some are giving some cereals and grains which are useful as a food for us, and therefore he observed them and he thought of growing very useful grass for himself to get the grains out of it. Thus he learned to cultivate rice, wheat, barley. These are all belonging to grass family, and thus agriculture gets started. I hope you understood this. Then after this, civilization of human beings progress, man undertook agriculture. Okay, and he started settled life in a particular place. Okay, I hope you understood this lesson. So what I told you, what is prehistoric period? With regarding prehistoric period, we don't get any written records, because at that time men did not know writing. Perhaps they knew only the oral form of language, and they were drawing some pictures, and they were using drawing and okay for communication might be, or they may be speaking the language, but they did not know the art of script. Therefore we have to depend upon the whatever things they have used. So we are about prehistoric man, we are getting only the stone tools as evidence. Okay, stone, whatever the weapon they have created out of stone, we are getting. Therefore the prehistoric age is called as the Stone Age. Again, the Stone Age is get divided into Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, New Stone Age. There is a lot of improvement in making stone weapons from the Old Stone Age to Middle Stone Age, or from the Middle Stone Age to New Stone Age. Okay, I already explained you. And there was suddenly a changing in environment. Suddenly the temperature get increase on the earth, and this led to the development of grasslands. By observing, it gave way for the multiplication of birds, animals. Man, while hunting, he observed some animals that which he can tame, and thus animal husbandry and dairying he started. Catching of fishes also he started. Catching of fish also he started by seeing the aquatic animals in the lake. Then he also selected some grasses and like rice,
Good afternoon, sir.
grass, rice, wheat, barley, etc. Thus, agriculture started. So, I hope you understood this lesson. You try to answer the question that which is there. Thank you and good day. Okay.